Good morning students, myself BP Yadav, mathematics teacher. We are studying square and square root, chapter 6. We have already solved questions from exercise, question number 1st, 2nd and 3rd from exercise 6.3. Today we will solve the questions from exercise 6.3, that is question number 4 and so on. First, question number 4. What is question number 4? Find the square root of the following numbers by the prime factorization method. Students, in question number 3rd, you have to find the square root, but you used their repeated subtraction method. But today we will discuss about prime factorization method to find out the square root of any number by prime factorization method. What is prime factors? So first of all, we will discuss about the prime numbers. Student, what is prime numbers? Prime numbers a number which has exactly two factors. A number exactly two factors. Are called prime numbers. ऐसे नंबर्स जिसके सिर्फ दो फैक्टर होते हैं, ऐसे नंबर्स को हम प्राइम नंबर्स कहते हैं. फैक्टर मीन्स स्टूडेंट यहाँ बाय विच दैट पर्टिकुलर नंबर इज डिवाइजिबल, वह नंबर जिस नंबर से डिवाइजिबल होती है वही उसके फैक्टर होते हैं. सपोज एक नंबर को हम लेते हैं 4, तो 4 ये किससे किससे डिवाइड होगी? 1 से, 2 से और 4 से. देयर आर 3 फैक्टर्स ऑफ 4. 4 is divisible by 1, by 2 and 4. So, according to definition, a number that has exactly two factors are called prime factor. Therefore, it is not a prime number because it has more than two factors. So, it is a composite number. In the definition of composite number, a number that has more than two factors, that is a composite number. But we have to understand about the prime numbers first. So prime numbers are those numbers which has exactly two factors. First one, that is number 1 and the number itself. Let 2. 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. Only two factors are here. Number 3 is divisible by 1 either itself. 3. Number 5, 1 or 5. These are the factors. So these numbers has exactly two factors, therefore they are the prime numbers. What is 1? What is about 1? 1 is only one factor, therefore it is not a prime number. It is not a prime number, neither composite number. ये ना तो composite number है स्टूडेंट्स और ना ही prime number है. इसको आप लोग रिमेंबर कर लेंगे, अच्छी तरह से याद कर लेंगे कि 1 ना तो प्राइम नंबर है और ना ही कंपोजिट नंबर है. तो यहाँ हम प्राइम नंबर्स की बात कर रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट हम इसमें लेते हैं एक नंबर को 9. व्हाट इज दिस? 9 हैज 3 फैक्टर्स, 1, 3 एंड 9. 9 इज डिवाइजिबल बाय 1, 9 इज डिवाइजिबल बाय 3 एंड 9 इज डिवाइजिबल बाय इटसेल्फ. ये स्वयं से भी डिवाइड हो जा रही है, इसलिए इसके 3 फैक्टर हैं. तो दिस नंबर 9 इज नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट रिमेंबर, odd numbers and prime numbers are different numbers. Therefore I have explained this. You have already studied it in your earlier classes. In class 7th and class 6th, you have studied about the prime numbers, composite numbers, odd numbers and even numbers. But it was necessary to before solving the questions, it was necessary for you to understand about the prime numbers. कि prime numbers क्या हो उसको समझना बहुत जरूरी है. Therefore, I have explained it. Okay? So, prime numbers are those numbers which has exactly two factors. We are going to find out the prime factorization of the numbers. With the using of prime factors, we have to find out the square root of the given numbers. So, question number 4. Question number 4. Find the square root of the following numbers by using prime factorization method. Find square root of the following numbers by using prime factorization method. It is important, prime factorization method. So, first number is 729, second is 400, 729, second number is 400, third number is 1764, 1764 and so on. Other numbers are given here. So, first of all we have to find the square root of this number. So, square solution. Square root of 729. This one, first part of this question. There are many parts, but I have written only 3 parts here. You have to understand this. So, first of all, students, we will find the prime factors of the given numbers. 729. Factorize this number 729 by the prime numbers. So, 7 to 9, 9, 18. 18 is a multiple of 3. So, it is divisible by 3. Last number is 9, therefore, it is not divisible by 2. So, first factor 3. 3 2 ja 6, 1, 1 and 2, 12, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9. Again divide it by 3 because 2, 4 2, 6, 3 9. 9 is a multiple of 3, therefore, it is divisible by 3. 3 8 ja 24 and 3 1 ja 3. Again 3 3 2 ja 6, 2 1 21, 3 7 ja 21. Again by 3, 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9 and again 3, that is 1. Students, at the end you have to find 1. So, what are the factors? 3, 3, 3, how many times? 6 times. So, under root 729 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. You have to write all the prime factors here. After writing these prime factors, you have to find the pairs. So, 1 pair, 2 pair and 3 pair. Clear, students? So, out of 2 you have to choose 1 because you are going to find out the square root. So, this one 3, into from this pair 3 and from this pair 1. 3 3 ja 9, 3 ja 27. So what is the square root of square root of 729 students? Square root of this number is 27, and this method is known as prime factorization method. Now we will solve question number 3. Clear students this? So using this method we are going to solve the question, this question part 3. What is the number? The number is 1764. You are going to find out the square root of 1764. So write the number here, 1764, and find the prime factors of this number. The unit digit of this number is 4. So according to the divisibility test, you know that a number ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is divisible by 2. किसी भी नंबर के लास्ट में स्टूडेंट्स अगर 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 ऐसी नंबर्स आती हैं तो वो नंबर 2 से डिवाइजिबल है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर टेकिंग 2. 2 8 जा 16, 1 16, 2 8 जा 16 and 2 2 जा 4. Again by 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8 and 2 1 ja 2. Clear? This number is 441. Now we will add this number 4 4 8 1 9. 9 is a multiple of 3, therefore it is divisible by 3. It will not be divisible by 2. Why? Because the unit digit of this number is 1. So try 3. 3 1 ja 3, 1 1 and 4 14, 3 4 ja 12, 2 21, 3 7 ja 21. Again 3 3 4 ja 12 and 3 9 ja 27. Now this number 9 4 13, it is not divisible by 3 because 13 is not a multiple of 3. So 7 7 ja 49. Take another prime number, that is 7. Students, remember this, you have to take only prime numbers, not composite number. So 7 7 ja 49, again 7, and you will find 1 here. What are the prime factors of 1764? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So we have to write here factors of this number, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So there are 6 factors. So make it in pairs. First pair, second pair, third pair. If number is not in a pair, it means that number is not a perfect square. So take 1 out of these 2, that is 2 into 3 into 7. 2 3 ja 6, 7 ja 42. So 42 is your answer. What is the square root of this 64? That is 42. So other parts of this question you will solve yourself, and for any problem you can contact me. Now we will solve the question number 5th. What is question number 5th, students? Question number 5th is, for each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. In this question, page number 102, question number 5 students. I am not going to write the question because it is too time taking. So, page number 102, question number 5. Question 5, page 102. Part first, 252, second, 252, second, 180, third, 1800, 1008 only students, not 800. Fourth, 2028. Fifth part is 1458, 1458, and sixth part of this question is 768. Remember this question. What is question? First read this question, student. For each of the following numbers are given here. Find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square. There are some given numbers and these numbers are not perfect squares. You have to find the smallest number by which you have to multiply it to make it a perfect square. आपको वो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बतानी है स्टूडेंट कि जिससे हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो जाए. स्टूडेंट आपको याद होगा कि लास्ट में जब 2 होगा, 8 होगा या ऐसी नंबर्स होंगे तो वो नंबर्स परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं होती हैं. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट को हम लेते हैं तो ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है, कोई भी नंबर इसमें परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है. हमको एक ऐसी नंबर को चूज़ करना है, ऐसी नंबर को फाइंड आउट करना है कि जिससे इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दें. दैट विल बी द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. सबसे छोटी नंबर वो कौन सी होगी कि जिससे हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दें कि ये नंबर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो जाए. और जब ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो जाए तो फिर उसका स्क्वायर, उस नंबर को फाइंड आउट करना है और आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर नंबर. और जो नंबर मिलेगी उसका स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट करना है. सो वी विल ट्राई अगेन प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड इन दिस. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर सॉल्यूशन ऑफ फर्स्ट पार्ट. Solution first part 252. Student, first of all we have to find the prime factors of this number to check whether it is a perfect square or not. If it will not be a perfect square, then the numbers will not be in, its factors will not be in a pair. So try prime factorization method. 252 divided by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 1 12, 2 6 ja 12, again by 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6. Student, here 63, it is not divisible by 2, it is 639, so it is divisible by 3. 2 3 2 ja 6 and 3 1 ja 3, again 3 7 ja 21 and 7 1. So prime factors of this number is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. नोटिस हियर स्टूडेंट, इधर ध्यान दीजिए आप लोग सभी लोग. 252 के प्राइम फैक्टर्स क्या क्या हैं? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. These are the prime factors. Okay student? So 2 is in pair 3 is in pair, but 7 is not in a pair. So if we multiply this number by 7, then it will also be in a pair. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हम जैसे 2 यहाँ 2 टाइम्स है, 3 2 टाइम्स है, 7 2 टाइम्स नहीं है। अगर हम इस नंबर को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो ये नंबर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो जाएगी। सो टू मेक इट a perfect square, we should multiply it by बाई 7। स्टूडेंट्स, इसको परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाने के लिए 7 से हमको मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, बिकॉज 7 इज नॉट इन पेयर। सो डू दिस, 252 into 7 is equal to, write all the factors, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Both in this number you will multiply by 7, then you will multiply here by 7, then they will be equal. Clear? So this number is 7 2 ja 14, 7 5 ja 35, and this one 36, 7 2 ja 14, 3 17. This number is 1764, and this one 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Now all these numbers are in pairs. These are the prime factors and all factors are in pairs. So you have to, now you have to find out the square root of this number. First of all, you have to find the, what is the smallest number? That is, smallest number is 7, by which you have to multiply this number to make it a perfect square. And after multiplying this number 252 by 7, we got 1764. And now we have to find out the square root of this number. So square root of 1764 is equal to square root of this one, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So choose the one number from the pairs. Clear, student? So this one 2 into 3 into 7, 2 3 ja 6, 7 ja 42. Clear, student? Square root of this number is 42. So once again, in this question you have to find the smallest number by which you have to multiply the given numbers to make it a perfect square. First part. Second part, obtain that number. वो नंबर कौन से हो उसको पहले फाइंड आउट करिए. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दैट नंबर. जो नंबर आपने ऑब्टेन किया है उसका स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट करें. तो इसमें फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल टेक द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. आफ्टर प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड वी विल श्योर दैट which number is not in its pair, so we have to multiply by that particular number. हमको उसी नंबर से ही मल्टीप्लाई करना है जिसका पेयर नहीं बन रहा है, उसको पेयर में बनाने के लिए. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दैट नंबर विच नंबर वी हैव ऑब्टेन्ड. जिस नंबर को हमने ऑब्टेन किया उसका हमको स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट करना है. वंस अगेन टेक अनदर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. Part number 5th. Part 5th of this. You have to you have a number that is 1458. This number is not a perfect square because at the unit place there is 8. So you have to find out the smallest number by which you will multiply this to make it a perfect square. After that you will find the square root of that number which you have obtained. Clear, student? So this fifth part, 1458, and again 1458, and find the prime factors of this number. Clear? So because this number ends with 8, so it is divisible by 2. 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4, 2 9 ja 8, 2 9 ja 18. Now this one 7 to 9 means 9 to 11, 7, 18. 18 is a multiple of 3, so it is divisible by 3. 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9. Again by 3, 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3. Again by 3, 3 2 ja 6, and 3 7 ja 21. Again 3 9, 3 3 ja 9, and 3 1 ja 3. These are the prime factors of this number. So you have to write here prime factors, and prime factors are 2 into 3 into 3 into how many times, student? 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. So clear? So these numbers are in pairs, but only 2 is not in pair. So we have to multiply this number by 2 so that it will be a perfect square. अगर हम इस नंबर को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो इधर 2 का पेयर बन जाएगा और ये नंबर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो जाएगी. टू मेक इट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, we should multiply it by 2. What is the smallest number? That is 2. The smallest number is 2 by which we have to multiply it. So students, take this 1458 into 2 is equal to 2 into 2. This 2 and this 2 both लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड दोनों साइड में हमने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दी. इंटू 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 3. सो दिस वन 2 8 जा 16, 2 5 जा 10 1 11, 2 4 जा 8 1 9, 2 1 जा 2. द नंबर इज 2916. एंड दिस वन 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 6 times. So these all numbers are in pairs. Okay? It means this number is a perfect square number. So find the square root of this number. Square root of 2916 is equal to square root of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Out of 2 you have to choose 1. Clear? So 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 3 ja 6, 3 ja 18, 3 ja 54. This one 2 3 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18, 18 3 ja 54. What is the square root of this number? 54. 54 is the answer. So 2 is the smallest number by which we have to multiply it to make it a perfect square, and the number we have obtained after multiplying the by 2, that is 2916, and the square root of this number is 54. So student, this is clear, and other parts of this question number 5, you have to do yourself. Now we will just students, this is question number 6 on page number, on the same page, that is 102. In question number 6 students, you have to find out the smallest number by which you have to divide the given numbers to make it a perfect square. After that, which number you will obtain by dividing, then you have to find out the square root of that particular number. स्टूडेंट्स, इस क्वेश्चन में सेम क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का एक अपोजिट क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना था और क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में स्टूडेंट आपको डिवाइड करना है. तो ऐसी नंबर्स को फाइंड आउट करना है कि जिसे डिवाइड करने के बाद ये नंबर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो जाए, बिकॉज द गिवन नंबर्स आर नॉट परफेक्ट स्क्वायर्स. सो यू हैव टू मेक इट परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बाय डिवाइडिंग द स्मॉलेस्ट होल नंबर, possible smallest whole number. After that you have to obtain a number and you will find out the square root of that particular number. So solution. First part, that is 252. The number is 252, and in question number 5 you have already faced this number. This one is not a perfect square. So adopt same method, apply same method, that is prime factorization method. So 252, find the prime factors of this number by 2, 1, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 6 ja 12, again 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja, again by 3, 3 2 ja 3 1 ja, by 3 7 and 7 1. Remember student, this question you have solved in this part you have solved in question number 5th, that was first part, and again this is in question number 6. So in question number 5 you are going to find out the number by which you have to multiply that, but in question number 6 you have to find the number by which you have to divide it to make it a perfect square. Clear? So first of all you have to find the prime factors of this number, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Clear student? So again we will take the pairs. 2 is in pair, 3 is in pair, but 7 is not in pair. So if we divide this number by 7, then it will be a perfect square number. Clear? So to make it a perfect square, we should divide it by 7. So smallest number is 7 by which you have to divide it. So 252 divided by 7 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 and divided by 7. बोथ साइड 7 से हमने डिवाइड कर दिया इसको परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाने के लिए. इज इक्वल टू 7 3 जा 21 एंड हियर 42, 7 6 जा 42 is equal to reduce here, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This number is 36 and factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now you have to find out the square root of this number. Okay? So square root of 36 is equal to square root of their factors. Clear student? So out of 2 you have to choose 1. 2 into 3, that is 6. Square root of 36 is 6. Once again, you have to divide this number, these given numbers, by the smallest number to make it a perfect square. आपको इन नंबर्स को डिवाइड करना है ऐसी छोटी सी छोटी नंबर से कि जिससे ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो जाए. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर रूट द नंबर सो ऑब्टेन्ड, और उसके बाद उस नंबर का स्क्वायर रूट आपको फाइंड करना है जिसको आपने फाइंड आउट किया है. तो सेम प्रोसेस इज in just like question number 5. So student, today's lecture is finished, and in the next part we will discuss about question number 7 to question number 10. So student, remaining part of this question you will do yourself. If you are facing any problem, then you will ask on my WhatsApp number. Clear? So okay.